Have you ever wondered how self-driving cars find their way or how your phone guesses your next word? These amazing things happen because of artificial intelligence or AI, machine learning or ML, and deep learning or DL. People often mix up these terms, but they mean different things and are used in different ways. In this video, we'll take a fun trip to understand AI, ML, and DL. We'll learn what they are, how they are different, and see how they are changing our world in amazing ways. Think of this as a quick guide to the future. So, get ready to explore the exciting world where machines are learning to think. Let's dive in. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is a broad term that encompasses the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks can range from simple ones like recognizing patterns in data to more complex ones like making decisions based on that data. It's all about making machines smart, enabling them to mimic human cognitive abilities. This means that machines can be programmed to think, learn, and even adapt to new situations, much like humans do. Imagine a computer program that can play chess, recognize faces in photos, or even compose music. These are not just science fiction scenarios, they are real applications of AI that are being used today. Or consider voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These devices can understand and respond to your voice commands, making it easier to manage your daily tasks. These are all examples of AI in action. From unlocking your phone with facial recognition to controlling your smart home devices, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. AI systems are designed to analyze data, solve problems, make decisions, and even learn from their experiences. This ability to learn and adapt is what sets AI apart from traditional computer programs. Machine learning, a subset of AI, involves training algorithms to learn from data. These algorithms can then make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to perform the task. It's like giving machines a brain, albeit a digital one. This digital brain can process vast amounts of information at speeds that are impossible for humans. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is revolutionizing various industries, making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. In the automotive industry, for example, AI is being used to develop autonomous vehicles that can navigate roads and traffic without human intervention. But AI is not just about building robots that can beat us at games. It's about creating intelligent systems that can work alongside humans, enhancing our capabilities and helping us solve complex problems. It's about developing intelligent systems that can assist us in countless ways, from diagnosing diseases to predicting natural disasters. In healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical images, predict patient outcomes, and even assist in surgeries. In meteorology, AI is helping to improve weather forecasts and predict natural disasters, potentially saving lives and reducing damage. Now, let's deep into the fascinating realm of machine learning, or ML for short. This is a field that has revolutionized the way we interact with technology and has opened up new possibilities in various industries. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, or AI, that focuses on teaching computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This means that instead of writing detailed instructions for every task, we enable computers to learn and adapt from the data they are given. Think of it this way. Instead of giving a computer step-by-step instructions to perform a task, we feed it massive amounts of data and let it figure out the patterns and rules on its own. This approach allows for more flexibility and can lead to more accurate and efficient outcomes. For instance, imagine you want to create a program that can identify different types of flowers in photos. This is a common example used to illustrate the power of machine learning. In traditional programming, you would have to write specific code to recognize the characteristics of each flower type. This would involve a lot of manual effort and detailed knowledge about each flower. With ML, you would instead train a model on a vast dataset of flower images, each labeled with its corresponding type. This dataset acts as the learning material for the machine learning model. The ML algorithm would then analyze the data, identify patterns and features that distinguish different flower types, and build a model that can accurately classify new unseen flower images. This process is known as training the model. Machine learning is like giving machines the ability to learn from experience, just like humans do. The more experience or data they have, the better they become at their tasks. The more data we feed them, the better they become at their tasks. This is why data is often referred to as the new oil in the world of technology. It fuels the machine learning models and helps them improve over time. Over the years, machine learning has evolved significantly. From simple algorithms that could perform basic tasks to complex deep learning models that can understand and generate human-like text, recognize objects and images, and even drive cars. Today, machine learning is at the heart of many cutting-edge technologies. Self-driving cars use ML to navigate and make decisions on the road. Robots in factories use ML to optimize their tasks and improve efficiency. In the field of healthcare, machine learning is being used to analyze medical images, predict patient outcomes, and even assist in diagnosing diseases. The potential applications are vast and continue to grow as the technology advances. As machine learning becomes more integrated into our daily lives, it's important for more people to understand how it works. Education and awareness are key to harnessing the full potential of this powerful technology. By understanding the basics of machine learning, we can better appreciate the innovations it brings and contribute to its development. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a curious mind, learning about ML can open up new opportunities and insights. The future of machine learning is bright and full of possibilities. As we continue to explore and develop this technology, we can look forward to a world where machines not only assist us, but also learn and grow alongside us, making our lives easier and more efficient. Section 4. Deep Learning, the Brainiac of Machine Learning. Deep learning takes machine learning to a whole new level. It's not just an incremental improvement, it's a revolutionary leap that has transformed the landscape of artificial intelligence. It's a specialized type of machine learning that utilizes artificial neural networks, which are complex algorithms inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. These networks mimic the way our brains process information, making them incredibly powerful tools for a variety of applications. These neural networks consist of multiple layers of interconnected nodes, each processing and passing on information to the next layer. Think of it as a relay race, where each runner hands off the baton to the next, but in this case, the baton is data. The deep learning refers to the depth of these layers, which can range from a few to hundreds or even thousands. The more layers there are, the more complex patterns the network can learn and represent. This deep, layered architecture allows deep learning models to learn intricate patterns and representations from massive datasets. These models can sift through enormous amounts of data, identifying subtle patterns and correlations that would be impossible for humans to detect. It's like having a superpowered brain that can process vast amounts of information and extract meaningful insights. Imagine a brain that never tires, never forgets, and can analyze data at lightning speed. For example, deep learning powers image recognition systems that can identify objects with remarkable accuracy, even in complex scenes. These systems are used in everything from self-driving cars to medical imaging, where they can detect tumors with greater accuracy than human doctors. It's also the driving force behind natural language processing applications, enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. This technology is what makes virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa possible, allowing them to understand and respond to our commands. Deep learning is like giving machines a superbrain, enabling them to tackle complex tasks that were once considered the exclusive domain of human intelligence. From playing complex games like Go to predicting stock market trends, the applications are virtually limitless. In healthcare, deep learning is revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment plans. AI systems can analyze medical records, genetic information, and even real-time patient data to provide personalized treatment recommendations. In finance, deep learning algorithms are used to detect fraudulent transactions, predict market trends, and even automate trading. These systems can process vast amounts of financial data in real time, making decisions faster and more accurately than human traders. Even in the entertainment industry, deep learning is making waves. AI can now generate music, create art, and even write scripts, pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. The future of deep learning is incredibly exciting. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications that will transform industries and change the way we live and work. The possibilities are truly endless. Section 5. The Intertwined World of AI, ML and DL. Now that we've explored each concept individually, let's understand how AI, ML, and DL relate. Think of AI as the overarching concept, the big umbrella that encompasses all technologies that aim to create intelligent machines. Machine learning is a subset of AI, a specific approach to achieving artificial intelligence by enabling machines to learn from data. Deep learning, then, is a specialized type of machine learning that utilizes deep neural networks to learn complex patterns and representations from data. It's a powerful tool within the machine learning toolbox, pushing the boundaries of what machines can learn. To put it simply, deep learning is a subset of machine learning, which is a subset of AI. They're all interconnected, with each building upon the capabilities of the other. Section 6. Conclusion. Embracing the future with AI, ML, and DL. As we've discovered, AI, ML, and DL are not just buzzwords, they're transformative technologies shaping our world in profound ways. From personalized recommendations to medical breakthroughs, these technologies are enhancing our lives and solving complex problems across various industries. AI is the broad field of creating intelligent machines. Machine learning is a powerful approach to achieving AI through data-driven learning, and deep learning takes machine learning to new heights with its brain-inspired neural networks. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking advancements in the years to come. Understanding the differences between AI, ML, and DL empowers us to appreciate their capabilities and harness their potential to create a better future. So, embrace the future with open arms, and let's continue to explore the limitless possibilities of AI, ML, and DL.